Stitching the V section at the bottom of a flag is really easy. We place our strip over the top of our placement line, which we've already stitched, and we'll stitch this into position. We'll be finishing the internal lines there with satin stitch. Trim back 1 to 2 millimeters near the stitching on the vertical and the horizontal lines. Line up a second piece of fabric so as that the outside edge is matching and it's face down. Then we're going to do the actual mitre stitch. Bring the hoop out towards you and trim back against those stitches. If it was woven fabric, we'd leave about 1/4 inch. Finger press this into position. Then holding firmly, stitch into position. Then we'll trim that top edge 1 to 2 millimeters away from the stitching, and we have a perfect mitre.